how to show or hide always on display lock screen wallpaper on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on lock screen and AOD. After that, tap on always on display. Now make sure you turn on always on display at the top. Then go down and tap on show lock screen wallpaper. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.